Change orders. If you're a contractor, you hate them. Keeping track of all the paperwork, the ability to lose time and money is enormous. They are downright painful, which is just one of the many reasons why we created Horizon Site Pro, the construction project management software made just for small business owners like yourself. So this was made specifically for you small renovators, landscapers, tradesmen, and women. So we're going to create a change order today and show just how easy it is to do with our software. So we're in the Michael's Renovation dashboard page here, and this has a map, it has weather information, has details. You get your projects on the side here. We're in the Michael's Renovation. Up at the top here, you have all your features you can go through. We have punch lists, schedules, budgets, selections, and we're going to go do a change order. So we'll click here, new change order. We don't have one yet in this project. So this client has come to us and decided they want to add an on-demand water heater. When we originally priced this, they just had a tank water heater, but they're upgrading. So we'll put that title in here. Next is the line item. So we'll add one line item. You can add as many as you want. Now this is really handy if you're doing a change order that has multiple components, has multiple trades involved. You may want a separate line item for each component of that change order. You also have the ability to add cost codes in here. We're just going to leave that, keep things simple for now. Now our plumber has told us $400 for this change. So that's what we'll put right there because this is our builder cost. So this can keep track of your expenses, and you can better track how much money you're making on projects when you're keeping track of not only your expenses, but what you're charging people. And then you come over here, you can put your client cost in. We're going to make some money on this change order. We're going to charge them $500. You can set tax rates in here, but for now we'll keep it simple. $500, that's what we're charging. This is the name of the line item. And so we will put just on-demand water heater. Now, if you had multiple line items, you may wish to have a separate name for each line item, break it out more. But because we only have one line item, I'm just keeping it simple and calling it the same title that we have up here. You also have the ability to add more description and internal notes for these line items to really keep track of what's happening, notes to your accountant, everything you need to make sure you have the information you need and nothing's getting lost in translation. Scrolling down, you have an approval deadline. So we're going to set Tuesday. And this is for if you submit your change order to your client, it goes to their portal. They have their own login access. And if they don't approve it in time, it will expire. Because sometimes you just need to keep the project moving. Now we assign our plumber. You can have any assigned users you want to. You can have other trades. You can have internal users. But for now, we're just going to assign our plumbing contractor. Here's a description. So this is where you can put a more detailed description for the change order as a whole. It's pretty simple. We're just going to leave the title as the descriptor. There's not much more to say, but you can add anything you want in here. Link tasks. So this is for the schedule. I haven't created anything yet, but we also have an amazing scheduling component to the software. It notifies people, you can change things, and it tells everybody of the changes, keeps everybody up to date. It makes your job very easy. And what you can do is you can actually link change orders to a schedule item so that when that schedule item happens, it notifies the contractor that's assigned to that change order and reminds them. It completely eliminates change orders getting missed. This is an amazing thing. If you've ever dealt with change orders before in the paper format, you know how maddening it can be, and this solves all the problems. Now we also have notes. This is internal notes, vendor notes, client notes. You can have all three filled out. You can have one, you can have two. And the internal notes is just for your internal users, so that's you and your employees. Vendor notes is only viewable to you, your employees, and your subs and vendors. Your clients cannot see this. And client notes, this is only viewable to your clients and to your internal users. So it's private from your trades and vendors. And the last section is files. And so you can upload PDF files here, pictures, whatever you need to help provide more clarity to the change order, you can upload here. And then you just hit create change order, and that's it. It creates your change order. It sends out a notification to your client. They can log into their account. They sign it. It timestamps when they approved it. Everything is tracked. It creates an item on your financial side so you can keep track of it and send them out a statement of account at the end of the project. Everything is really easy. Everything's tracked. Nothing can get missed. Everybody's notified. Change orders have never been easier than with Horizon Site Pro. So thanks again for watching. And if you like what you see, come visit us. Horizon Site Pro.